So I am walking at Oostvoorne, the Rotterdam in the Netherlands, to show you this magnificent kite spot. Look at here. Isn't it marvelous? It looks like a desert. Perfect. People, listen to me. After so many years, I have been seeing my brother here. This is Karim.
What's up?
The best kite surfer ever. So I bought some stuff from him. As you know, I've been supporting his Land Rover here. You need to support him somehow.
Yeah, good stuff.
Yeah, of course.
Well, let's show them what you get.
Okay, what am I going to get from you? Tell me.
Yeah, well,
brand new. This one is a nice car, my brother.
Brand new.
Here you go.
F1.
F1. Bandit.
12 meter.
It's for me, okay?
New harness.
My harness.
Bar.
Everything is fresh.
9 meter.
9 meter.
And you have second choice between the colors. Which color do you prefer? I have another 12 with different colors.
Really?
So you must choose.
Okay,
it's like a Christmas.
Karim has been giving the kite surfing lessons here, right, brother? And this is your stuff.
Well,
right?
you have to go upstairs and show them the spot. The spot now is.
I am going to show you the spot, people. You will like it, believe me.
Yeah, man. Look at the spot. Look at this.
Wow, this is the kite surfing spot. Look at the spot.
Yes.
Isn't it amazing?
Look at this.
Of course, you are not going to go kite surfing over there, but you will stick around here.
Yes, we go
Beautiful.
there.
We go there.
Exactly there.
Absolutely. Perfect. So look at here. Look at that. This place is a heaven for kite surfing. Now we'll see Karim. The board. So we have his board. If you follow Karim's kiteboarding lesson, you're going to learn it like this.
Hey,
you know, this gentleman is only been kitesurfing for 1 day, and look at him. What was your name, sir? Raphael. So Raphael is going to go Ghostbuster right now. Amazing. Raphael, we have high expectations. Where are you going to, Raphael? This far?
going to the right.
Right? Okay. Look at them. Cool, Raphael. He's ready. This guy, can you believe, only 1 day? Look at him. Look at him, how he is holding the bar and how he's standing. Unbelievable. Raphael, health.
Hey,
Hero.
I have magic in hands.
Look at them, look at them. Wow, he's standing up. Cool, eh? So this guy learned kite surfing in 1 day. Okay, should I do the wing surfing tomorrow?
Don't never buy this mystic.
No, never. Why is that?
No.
No, you don't like it?
I don't like it.
Okay.
Put it out.
I'm going to take it off. Windsurfing, can we do it as well? This guy has been giving windsurfing lessons as well.
I will come to this place. What do you think?
Oh, maybe it's a great idea. Why not? Perfect.
Oh, tell me, when was the last time you got lessons from me?
I got lessons like 12 years ago, people, and I haven't been kiting for really long time.
And now he did it in one.
I did it again. The last time was in August, so after 10 months, still amazing. You can see it. Still amazing.
Welcome to kitesurfschoolbest.nl. Here in Holland, Oostvoorne, more than welcome.
Yeah.
I will show you some jumps later on. We just call it technical magic.
Absolutely. This is true, people. This is true.
Oh, he's still really good. And I think there's some. You know, look at this. Right? Coming back. Look at that. Pop me up. Pop me up.
Perfect.
Look at.
Unbelievable.
Lachen! Even lachen naar de camera! Lachen!
Yay!
Yo yo!
Yo yo!
Many years and we're still friends!
We're still friends.
He's my brother!
It's my brother!
He's Turkish Moroccan brother!
This is the truth!
كرداش! أنا صاحبي!
صاحبي!
أنا صاحبي! فينا كرداش؟
أنا صاحبي!
يا! Morocco Turkey! Good!